All right, let's talk about something that's quietly revolutionizing how we work: assistive search. It's not a flashy new gadget. Instead, it's a powerful shift happening right inside the software we use every day. In our modern world of knowledge work, we're often drowning in information. Data is scattered everywhere, across cloud drives, chat apps, project management boards, and endless email threads. This digital fragmentation creates constant friction, forcing us to spend a huge portion of our day not actually working, but just looking for the information we need to work. This is the core problem that assistive search is built to solve. And when I say search, I'm not just talking about the old way of doing things, typing a few keywords into a search bar and hoping for the best. That's traditional keyword search. It's literal, and it's limited. It's like asking a librarian for information on Project Blue and they just hand you every book with a blue cover. You're left with a long list of potential sources, and the real work of finding the answer has just begun. You still have to click, open, read, and piece everything together yourself. That's not assistance. That's just a starting point. Assistive search is fundamentally different. It's a search that actually understands the and behind your question. Powered by artificial intelligence and natural language processing, it doesn't just match keywords. It comprehends concepts and context. It can tell the difference between Project Blue, the marketing campaign, and blue, the color. This intelligence allows it to organize your company's scattered knowledge into a connected web, a sort of digital brain for your team. It sees how a sales report relates to a client conversation and a project update. The result? It doesn't just give you a list of documents, it gives you answers, helping you get things done dramatically faster. Think about those times you've spent digging through emails, docs, and wikis just to find that one piece of info. Let's make it real. Imagine you're a marketing manager preparing for a quarterly review. You need the latest sales figures, key takeaways from a campaign post-mortem, and a specific client comment from Slack. Traditionally, that's 3 different searches in 3 different apps. With assistive search, you can simply ask, summarize the Q3 campaign results, including revenue and key client feedback. The tool bridges those silos, pulling the data, insights, and quotes to deliver a synthesized summary in seconds. Or picture a software developer debugging a tricky issue. Instead of wasting hours hunting, they can ask, what are the known solutions for authentication error 401? The system surfaces not just the official documentation, but also a crucial conversation from a Jira ticket, pinpointing the exact code snippet that solved the problem for a colleague last year. This is the next frontier for knowledge work. Instead of wasting time piecing together info from a million tabs, you're getting instant, relevant answers, kind of like having a super smart assistant on call 24/7. It's not just about working faster either. It's about making smarter decisions. By having all the relevant context at your fingertips, you can see the full picture and reduce the cognitive load that leads to burnout. This frees you to actually enjoy your work because you're focusing on what matters: strategy, creativity, and problem solving. And the best part? This isn't futuristic hype. Tools using AI and natural language processing are already out there, and they're getting better every day. The future is proactive. Soon these tools will anticipate your needs, surfacing relevant documents for an upcoming meeting before you even ask. The future of knowledge work is about to get a whole lot smoother and a lot more human. So how can you start leveraging this power? First, audit your existing tools. Many platforms like Microsoft 365, Slack, and Notion are already integrating these features. Learn their advanced search capabilities. Second, change your search habits. Move from typing keywords to asking full natural language questions. Instead of sales Q3, try what was our total revenue in Q3? The difference in results can be astounding. Finally, look for tools that centralize your knowledge. The power of assistive search grows exponentially with the more information it can access. But remember to trust but verify. AI is a powerful assistant, not an infallible oracle. Always use its answers as a starting point and check the sources for critical decisions. So if you're still stuck in the old way of searching, manually piecing together information, it's time to explore assistive search. See for yourself how much easier knowledge work can be. It's a change that promises not just more productivity, but a more focused, creative, and ultimately more satisfying way to work. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.